Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use fill command without using mouse. First select the range of cells that you want to fill by holding shift plus down arrow. Then type the value as 1, then press Ctrl plus enter key. Another way is, first you have to enter the value and then select the cell range. Then press F2 key and press Ctrl plus enter. Next method is simple one, enter the value. Then select the range, then press Ctrl plus D. Next method is, enter the value, then select the range of cells. Then press Alt, H, F, I, D. Last method, which I actually uses. Enter the value, and select the range of cells, then press Alt, H, F, I, S, enter. This method can be used to put serial number in tabulation. If you want to fill down with increment of 2, then repeat the same command, and extra you have to add number 2, and press enter. Alt, H, F, I, S, 2, then press enter. This is how I execute in fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more.